Everyone's hyping Google's new Veo 3, insane ultra-realistic videos from just one prompt. But no one's talking about, can it actually make you money? I found how creators are turning this into $10,000 per month, faceless channels for completely free. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to do it, step by step, and I'll reveal a secret method to earn even without monetization. By the end, you'll know how to create viral, monetizable videos, even if you're a complete beginner. All right, let me show you. So, what exactly is Google Veo 3, and why is everyone suddenly obsessed with it? Well, it's not just another AI tool. Veo 3 is Google's newest AI video generation model, and it creates ultra-realistic, cinematic videos from nothing but a simple text prompt. But it doesn't stop there. It actually understands the science of filmmaking, camera angles, lighting, mood. The results? They look like scenes straight out of a Netflix trailer, made in just minutes. Here, look at these clips I created with it. They honestly blew my mind. And there's more. Veo 3 automatically adds ambient effects, background music, and even full voiceovers that read the lines you write. Normally, you'd need a paid plan to access this. But what if I told you? There's a way to create unlimited videos for free at the same time. Stick with me. I'll show you exactly how in just a moment. But first, let me show you an example of real channels already making insane money with it, and how you can copy their exact system. This channel has gained over 1.7 million subscribers just by posting ultra-realistic, cinematic videos. But most creators see this and think, that looks way too hard. So they step back. And that's where your opportunity begins. Because today, I'll show you exactly how to use Google Veo 3 to make videos just like this. Videos that get millions of views, grow your subscribers fast, and even help you earn through affiliate marketing and sponsorships. But here's the catch. If you skip the method I'm about to show you, your channel might never get monetized. So pay close attention. And it's not just one example. There are other channels doing the same thing and absolutely blowing up. But how can you copy this system and make serious money? Alright, now we've reached the most important part of this entire video. How to actually create a viral, monetizable Veo 3 video, step by step. Let's start with finding your niche. But don't stress about it. I've already discovered the most viral niches that work perfectly with Veo's videos. First up, cinematic storytelling. It's exploding right now. This channel is a perfect example, blending emotion, visuals, and storytelling that hooks you in seconds. Next, space and science facts. These videos go insanely viral, and they're super easy to make. Here's a channel crushing it in that space. And just a heads up, I'm showing these channels for inspiration, not to tell you to copy them word for word. So whether you choose one of these, or pick something you're passionate about, like philosophy or sci-fi, make sure the niche excites you. Once your niche is set, it's time to find a viral topic. You've got two fast methods. Go to YouTube, search your niche, sort by most popular, and look for patterns. What thumbnails and titles pop off? Make your own version with a unique twist, or skip the guesswork. Open ChatGPT and paste this exact prompt. And in seconds, you'll have tested topics that have a high chance of going viral, plus titles you can use or tweak. Now that we've nailed down your niche, topic, and title, it's time to move to the next part, which is, how do we skip to your niche title? And trust me, it's super easy. You don't need to be a writer, you just need one powerful AI prompt. Here's how you do it. Use this exact formula I crafted. Write me a short, insert your video length, like 3 minutes, cinematic storytelling script on insert your topic. Add an emotional hook, suspense, and a powerful conclusion. Format it like a YouTube voiceover. And for each part of the story, generate a matching cinematic visual prompt. Boom, that's it. Click generate, and in seconds, you'll get a full voiceover script with visual prompts for every scene. Literally plug and play. You can now feed those prompts straight into Google Veo 3 and create stunning cinematic visuals for free. And just like that, your viral video begins to take shape. But wait, we're not done. Let's now bring this script to life with a voiceover that makes viewers feel every word. For a cinematic storytelling niche, we need a voiceover that feels real, not robotic. So we'll use 11 Labs, one of the most realistic AI voice tools out there. First, go to 11 Labs, sign up for a free account, and once you're on the homepage, click Instant Speech. Now choose a clear, slightly bold voice. It makes your script more powerful. Next, paste the voiceover script you got from ChatGPT. Then hit Generate, and then you have to do this with every part of the voiceover. Now let's generate visuals using Google VO3. For free, as I promise with you. But if you have VO3 subscription already, then you can skip this part. Now here's the exact trick I used. Go to Google Cloud Skills Boost, search for a tour of Google Cloud, and click it. Sign in with any regular Gmail account, not one that already has Google Cloud Premium. Once inside, enter your birth date, start the lab, and you'll see a 45-minute timer. Now open the Google Cloud Console in an incognito tab or on any private browser. I am doing this on my private browser. Now click the 3 lines, scroll down to Vertex AI, then Media Studio. And there it is, Google VO3, fully unlocked. Start generating your cinematic clips during the timer, as many as you want. And now, let's move into the video creation part. First, head to ChatGPT and grab the first scene prompt it generated for you. Then jump into Google VO3. Now pay close attention here. Choose your video generation type, paste in the scene prompt, but don't forget to level it up with words like cinematic, realistic, to really boost the quality. Now hit Generate, and let the magic begin. It may take a minute or two, but trust me, it's worth it. VO's realism is next level. Once the video finishes, just repeat that process for every part of your story. Here's one of the clips I got. Whoa! The camera movement, even the sound effects feel straight out of a movie. Your viewers will love this. Now I'm going to go ahead and generate the rest of the scenes. Okay, all scenes are ready. Let's download them one by one. But wait, if you're thinking, VO3 only lets me generate a few 8-second clips a day. How do I make a full video? I got you. Here's the workaround. Just ask ChatGPT to give you 1 to 2 image prompts for each of the video scenes it wrote earlier. Now take those prompts to Gemini and generate high-quality stills you can blend into your video. Use those images to extend scenes without breaking flow or fill in transitions beautifully. Once everything's ready, we're moving into editing, and for that, we'll use a free and powerful tool, CapCut. So go ahead and open it up. We're almost there. So now we're inside the CapCut dashboard. From here, just follow along step by step. First, import the video clips you created with VO3. Next, upload the images you generated using ChatGPT prompts. If you made 2 or 3 for a scene, just drag and drop them into the timeline in the right order. Then go ahead and line up all your video clips and images. Place them one by one on the timeline so the sequence flows properly. Now here's something important. Select each video clip and set the volume to 0. That's because VO automatically adds random sound effects, and we're going to replace them with our own voiceover. So now, upload your realistic voiceover from 11 Labs and adjust the volume to match the tone and emotion of your video. Trim and align your voiceover to match each scene. If you need more time, simply extend your image duration to fill in the gaps. Now your video is starting to take shape. But to make it look like those hyper-realistic AI shorts, let's add some simple animations to the images. Here's how. Select an image, go to opacity, set it to 0, and add a keyframe. Then move forward a little, add another keyframe, and change opacity to 100. That creates a smooth fade-in effect. Pretty cool, right? You can repeat this for all your images to add movement and depth. But wait, we're still missing something. Let's add some sound effects to boost the cinematic feel. Head over to pixabay.com, search for sound effects that match your video's vibe, download them, and drag them into your project. Adjust the volume levels to blend smoothly with your voiceover. I know it seems like a lot to tweak, but trust me, this is what makes your video stand out. Now you've got a fully monetizable, ultra-realistic AI video, ready to publish and potentially go viral.
On the corner of 12th and Pine. Then one morning, he stood on a crate and shouted, "The sun will bleed. The earth will tremble. 7 lights will fall from the sky. But that evening, at 6:47 p.m., the sky turned.
So, like that you can create viral AI videos and make money with them, even without monetization, with affiliate marketing, and with sponsorships also. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit subscribe and drop a like. It really helps more than you know. But listen, I know how frustrating it feels when you're putting in the work, but barely getting any views. That's exactly why I took on a challenge to grow an AI faceless channel from scratch in just 14 days. Tap on this video right here and see exactly how I did it. You don't want to miss this.